What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cartoon illustration of Mewtwo from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up above the eye and we'll bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the bottom all the way over on the right and do the same thing, going up and then bending that out. Let's add a fold along the inside of the brow on the left, bend this in and up, and do the same thing on the right. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Let's start on the left, we're going to step in, bend this around, come down towards the bottom, and just pull that up on the inside. Let's pull the eyes towards the inside. We'll start from the top left, we're going to draw a half oval. We're going to come down, and just pull that up on the inside. Do the same thing on the right, going all the way around and up towards the top. Let's trace this along the inside, going down and then up. Let's add a small oval along the top for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black, going around that highlight. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, bend this down, just curve that in towards the center. Just going to round this out, go out and up towards the right, and then pull that up. I just want to wrap this around the side of the head. And go up, and then bend that in. Let's tuck the horns in behind the side of the head. We're going to step down, go straight up, and then bend that out. Let's round up the top of the horn, go around, and then in. And we'll bend this down and then in toward the top of the head. Now layer the top of the head on top of the horns. So we're going to step back out, going up in the middle, go across, and then down. Along the bottom, we're going to add two small lines going up and out for the nostrils. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head, bend this down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. So we come around toward the bottom of the body and just pull that up towards the right and then bend that back in. Let's add a fold across the bottom of the chest and go up and then down. Now I want to add that trim along the bottom of the body. Let's start on the left side, go all the way up toward the top, round this out, come down towards the right, and then bend that in. Now along the top, we want to stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start underneath the head, bend this down, and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's draw on the first finger. We're going to draw a circle. We'll go all the way around. And I just want to swirl that up on the inside. Let's add the second finger tucked in behind. So on the side, we'll draw a circle, going all the way around and then up along the bottom. Now from the wrist, we're going to step down, draw the thumb, going all the way around like a circle. And just bend that back in. Do the same thing on the right. Stepping down, go around, and swirl that in. Let's close off that gap between the finger and the thumb with a small curve. And then from the inside of the thumb, bend the arm, coming in and then up towards the side of the body. Now we're going to move down and draw on the outside of the thigh. Let's start on the left side, bend this out, come down, and then in. Let's line up the top on the right, going out, down, and then in. Let's go up underneath the body, bend the leg, going out, and then down towards the ankles. And then from the ankles, we're going to draw a small circle. On the outside of the circle, bend the foot, going out and then down towards the first toe. Then we'll curl around the toe. And we'll go all the way around like a circle, going up and then down. Let's add the second toe along the side. Starting from the top, we're just going to tuck this in. Now from the inside of the last toe, I'm just going to bend the foot, coming in and then up underneath the thigh. Now we're going to bring the tail coming out from the left side. Let's start from the side of the leg, then it's out and then up, and bring that back down towards the bottom. Let's round up the end of the tail, and around and up. I'm just going to tape this and just bring this back in towards the side of the leg. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Mewtwo from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.